Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jas Nicole and I'm here with another video. So in today's video, I am showing you all how I do my nighttime skincare routine for oily skin. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload some more videos. So here I am just putting my hair up and kind of tying it out of the way with this, I guess I don't even know what it's called, but I got it as a free gift from something I bought, but trying to keep my hair out of the way so that way when I wash my face it won't get wet. So I'm starting off with the Garnier Skincare Micellar Cleansing Water, and this one is a makeup remover that helps kind of remove the makeup, and it is perfect for oily skin because it is oil free, so it's not going to make your face feel like, you know, too greasy and stuff like that. I've used other makeup removers and I didn't like them, but I really love using this micellar water. And one thing that I also love about this micellar water is that it is definitely safe to use around and on your eyes. Obviously, you know, you don't want to get it in your eye, but it is safe. So if you have on any eye makeup, like I have on some mascara, I can use this micellar water to remove the mascara from my lashes.
You let me drown as you dry off. You pull me down so you climb up. You let me drown as you dry off. Don't turn around.
Sometimes I do have to go in with a second cotton pad, but it's necessary for me to make sure I get all of the makeup off my face before I go in with my cleanser.
I mean just what I said.
Next, I'm going in with the Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Cleanser. So I actually saw this cleanser on TikTok and Instagram. It was gaining a lot of popularity. So I was like, you know what? Let me do my research. Let me see what it's about. And I have been using this cleanser for the last couple of weeks and I absolutely love it. I love how it foams up and it really gives my face a deep clean that it needs, especially when I wear makeup throughout the day. So in addition to removing makeup, this cleanser prevents buildup in pores and helps support the skin's pH balance. And I also love that it is one of the clean products that are at Sephora. Like I said, I've been wanting to, you know, really get into adding clean products to like my routine. So now I'm just using a washcloth that I wet to kind of just wash off all of the cleanser off my face, and then I'm going back in a second time just to make sure that I have gotten all the makeup off my face. Now I'm using a paper towel to dry my face. I know there's usually a debate about whether or not you should use like a face towel or paper towel. Honestly, for me, it just depends on the night when I'm doing my routine. Next, I'm going in with the Biossance Squalene and BHA Pore Minimizing Toner. And one of the things that I love about this toner is that it is alcohol free, which is really important. But I just love how it makes my skin feel so soft and just, you know, it's not drying at all, which is definitely a bonus. Now I'm going in with The Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid 2% and B5 Hydrating Serum. And so I have actually used some products from The Ordinary before, but I've never used their hyaluronic acid, and I feel like it has been on the sold out list for so long. But I love how it really helps hydrate my face and gives my skin kind of like that glowing look. And what I like to do is I like to just gently, you know, kind of rub and pat it in, just because I don't want to, like, you know, harshly rub the product into my face.
'Cause you're my light when you come to me.
Now I'm going in with the Palmer's Natural Vitamin E Concentrated Cream, and I just use this, a little bit of it, to put on my dark spot on my nose. For my moisturizer, I'm using the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. That is a mouthful, but I've been using this for over a year and a half, and it is my favorite daily cream to use on my face. It doesn't feel like heavy or sticky or anything like that. I feel like it really just melts into my skin and really helps, you know, kind of make sure my skin stays moisturized.
Everything, my day and my night, you're my freedom.
The next product that I'm using is the Youth to the People Dream Eye Cream, and this eye cream is an overnight eye cream that's to help visibly smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, help firm the look of skin, and actively hydrate while you sleep. And what I like to do is I like to use my ring finger to kind of just gently pat it into my eye. Like, your ring finger is one of the fingers, I forgot what they said, like it's a finger that, you know, it's not heavy handed basically. So I just use that to rub it and pat it into under my eye.
And when you're gone,
now I'm going in with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Lip Therapy for my lips, and I absolutely love using this lip therapy. I think I've mentioned it in one of my Sephora hauls that I've done, but it is one of my favorite products to use on my lips.
my only one I need.
And that is all there is to my nighttime skincare routine. Everything that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below in the description box, but I absolutely love how my skin looks after I do my nighttime routine, and it's a routine that I'm really trying my best to upkeep just to make sure that I'm really taking care of my skin. And if y'all can see, look at my skin, it's just glowing out here in these streets, okay? Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Until next time, bye.